Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy and today I'm going to show you how to make the best cheeseburger ever, guys. Yes, and guess what? Our cheeseburger is going to be filled with tons of delicious, mouth-watering barbecue onions, guys. So without further ado, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. Of course, we have our ground beef right here. We also have some burger buns. We have our sliced onions, as well as my little mix right here that we're going to be using. We also have some barbecue sauce, we got the salt, and we also have some oil as well as cheese. So without further ado, we are going to get started. I am going to put my gloves on and we are going to get to work. By the way, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing great. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the post notifications so that way you know every time your girl uploads, because guess what? I'm going to be uploading very often and you want to be the first to not only leave a comment but get that notification so that way you can make these banging recipes. All right, guys, so we have our burger meat right here, and what we're going to do is I took a piece off of it and try to make our burgers the size of the bun. And it's so easy to mold a burger, guys. Really easy. Just mold it and then we just press it on out. That's it. This is gonna be so juicy and good. Ooh wee. Not to mention Memorial Day is right around the corner, and that starts the official summer holiday, guys. That's when we bring out the grills and we do our thing, and yeah, we make it happen. And the good thing about this recipe is it's universal. If we can't go out to grill and do certain things, guess what? If you got a George Foreman grill, hey, use it, make it happen. One big old burger patty. All right, we're just gonna place it right here. And yeah, just like that. And we are gonna place our burgers onto the grill. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little salt. We added our salt. Just gonna just a bit. Boom. My little seasoning mix, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit to the top because we want these burgers to be what, guys? Absolutely flavorful. We want these burgers to be the best burgers on the block. So we're gonna add our seasoning mix, and of course you can get the information for the seasoning mix at cookingwithtammy.recipes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add our onions on this side of the grill and allow these onions to caramelize. Also, once these onions start to break down, we're gonna get the flavors infusing with the flavors from the onion infusing with the burger. And that's gonna be perfect. A one-shot deal. Flip it on over. Perfect. That literally took no time at all. Gonna flip this one over as well. What's your guys' favorite summer holiday? Is it the start of the summer holidays, which is Memorial Day? Is it like 4th of July? Or is it like towards the ending part, which is Labor Day? Me personally, any holiday where I could like literally just enjoy myself, kick back, relax a little bit, enjoy some good food and just chill out, that's my holiday. I like holidays like that, basically. Any holiday where your girl could just sit back and relax a little bit, make good food, I'm good. It doesn't have to be a particular holiday, to be honest. We're gonna add a little bit of the mix to the onions. Add just a little bit on the burgers as well. Lock that flavor in. And we are gonna combine these onions And I noticed the onions are starting to become translucent. Some of them are starting to turn nice and caramelized, which is perfect. Let me tell you, when it comes to these onions, that seasoning mix right there, it gives these onions personality. It really brings out the flavor. I don't know about you, but I want my burgers to be well done. So that's what we're doing right now. We are allowing our burgers to sear and cook all the way through. Slide these onions on over and make it happen. In the meanwhile, what I'm gonna do is we are gonna add our cheese. Yes, I'm using this cheese. Why? Not only does it melt better, but that's all they had in the store. So we are not gonna fuss and fight. We are gonna use what's readily available and make it happen. And besides, it tastes pretty cool. It tastes really good. About to lose it. And we are gonna cover it down and allow it to melt. Lock that heat in. In the meanwhile, we are gonna work on our onions. And these are perfect. They smell so good. I know it's gonna be nice and flavorful. As you can see, I added that lid because I wanted the cheese to melt really nicely. So it doesn't matter what kind of lid you have. It could be a pot cover. Once it's heat resistant, you're good to go. All right, let's remove this and see where we are. And yes, our cheese is perfectly melted. And we are gonna remove these burgers from our grill. We are gonna place it right here. This is perfection. Yes. Absolutely gorgeous. Slide it right on over. Yes. And we are gonna slide our onions over. We want our onions to pick up all of the flavors from the burgers. So as of this point, slide it on over. Allow it to caramelize a little bit more. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna add our barbecue sauce because we want our onions to be absolutely not only flavorful, but what, guys? Saucy. Yes, absolutely delicious. We're not holding back on flavors, guys. We want to bring out the flavors, or should I say the best flavors in everything. And we're going to turn it off. And we are going to start to assemble. I wish you guys could smell those onions. Woo! Smells amazing. Alrighty. Now, of course, you can toast your buns if you want to, but we are going to stack. We're going to start to assemble by stacking our burgers. We're going to add some of that delicious onion, or should I say barbecue onions. And we're going to add another burger on top. And of course, if you love pickles, add your pickles. Add whatever you like. And yes, ooh, child. This is Memorial Day on a plate, all right? This right here is Memorial Day savvy. This burger right here, I can guarantee is gonna be absolutely amazing with no doubt at all. Absolutely tasteful because remember, we seasoned our meat, not to mention we have our cheese, which is gonna give it that nice flavor, and our perfectly seasoned onions along with the barbecue sauce. Perfect combination. Whoa, you're gonna have a good contrast of flavors. Anyway, guys, this is absolutely beautiful. And of course, if you wanna stack it even more, why not? Go right ahead and do so. And now we have a triple cheeseburger with barbecue onions. That's right. Perfect. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna put the other burger together, guys. So continue watching and I'll be right back. Our delicious cheeseburgers with barbecue onions are done and ready to be enjoyed. As you guys can see, we have the double cheeseburger with barbecue onions and we have the triple. Yes, we have the triple decker as well. Who needs a backyard barbecue when you could actually finesse this in your own house? Did I also forget to mention the flavors? Absolutely delicious. Anyway, guys, of course, cookingwithtammy.recipes for full recipe details, and I will catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye.